Hey Rivets, so today we have not one, but two fake dumplings. They're called Bao Buddy, and they're from Figgle-gastic, because I don't want to get copyrighted. Ooh. I'll just say Giggle-tastic. Why not? Right, okay. Thanks. Brother, can you go over there? Can you go over there, brother? No. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Come on, bro! Brother, do you want this? Right, okay, I'm not going to say his name because I don't want to leak it. You already know my name, so... Oh my god, brother, you can't be in view. Okay. Number 2 is pink. Oh my god. They are good. I like the face. I use this all the time. I do that all the time. Like dot dot and then 3. Like, and it looks like that. So yeah, got the dumplings. By the way, I am gonna film a glow stick thing, Timbob. Right, okay, nearly my birthday, everybody. Yeah, so right. Right, okay. I promise I will not do anything bad. Right. So, if you want to get one of these hand touched by a Kanto spooky seer, just comment your address on one of my posts. I promise, literally promise, I will not hack you or anything, because I'm not a hacker guy. Comment your address on one of my posts, and then I will give you one of these 2 hand touched dumplings. Bye, spooky share. Right, bye, see you later.